Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I apologize if I'm looking like a melty mess. It is 8 o'clock at night and I have my makeup on since 7:30 this morning, and I forgot to put primer on and I haven't done anything at all except put this back on, and to be honest I couldn't be bothered because I just want to take it off and be done with it. So today's video is my update for the Roulette collab that was set up by Alexy and Rebecca. And for those of you who don't know, which you probably do because it's a massive project now at this point, is there is 50 prompts and then you randomly select 6, and as soon as you hit your goal or finish it, you roll in another one. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing. So have you guys ever rolled in products and be like, later in the month on using and being like, why did I do that? Why did I do that? That is one of these months for me. It's just, it wasn't great on finishing, but it was good on progress. So the first product I want to show you is a product I'm currently loving, I think is what it is. And I chose the Tarte Blush Bazaar palette and in the shade Extraordinary. So I'll show you on the screen where I was last time. So as you can see, I had a little bit of pan going on there. It took me about 4 to 5 months to hit pan on the thing, and I kept using it throughout the month and the pan got massive. So I decided to repress this into my Sweet Peach, Too Faced Sweet Peach Powder Compact so that I could bring the thing to work. And here is where I am now. Let me look and show you. Look how thin that is. Focus! Okay, you see? Now, I bet you any money this thing is still going to be here. Will I finish a blush this year? Gosh. It's so beautiful though. Everyone says it's like the orgasm blush. Okay, there we go. Can you see the sheen on her? She is so pretty. I do like it. I have it on today. I don't know if it's like on my face anymore or how melty I look because I have no glasses on. But that's how we're doing on this product. I'm pretty happy with the progress. They are Tarte blushes are minis, those ones. I think there's only like 2.5 grams on it and I'm working on it for like a year. Oh well, I really like it. This is handier to carry. So that's the first one. The next product I rolled in the last time was a item you wouldn't repurchase. And I chose, the lid broke already. I chose the Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in Matte Lights. And I said I wouldn't repurchase this because it says it's a highlight, right? Watch this. Watch this. That is, if you can see, a pressed kind of a chalk, right? Now I love Makeup Revolution, so I don't mind saying that. It's just, it's grand. Now, Tara from Terrible Decisions said that, what did she say? She thinks that people in theatre use it as like a contoury type of a thing. And I have been using it to kind of, I don't know how it is good showing you my melty face, but I use it to tidy up stuff down here. It's too bright at the dark under here, and it's a good illuminating overall face powder, but I wouldn't get it again, but it's grand. So, here is where I am now. I don't know, is there any point in me showing you, but it actually looks, to me, visually an awful lot flatter. Like, holy Lord, look at that. Now, I did measure it. Look at me being a good girl for once. So the last time this weighed 60 grams, and this time it weighs 57 grams. So I've used 3 grams of this. Is that good? I feel like it's good. I feel like it's good. So that's this product. I'm going to keep working on this till the end of the year anyway. The next one I have is a product, a drugstore product, and this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, the eye eraser. The eraser eye in the shade Light. I marked them, the mark on. It's in exactly the same place as the last time, and I've used this all month. Would you believe that I didn't have to do the little twisty at all? I had enough product on the sponge for the whole month. I'm not rushing, it's fine, but that was good to know. So that's just a quick one, but I said I'd mention it. For a product with cute packaging, I chose the Glam & Co. Lilac Vibes Pigment, Eye Dust Pigment, whatever. And I don't really know, I just wanted to get more use out of this, you know, I was not using it. And, you know, it's like, that feels like dust. But, well, that's what it's called. It doesn't look purple on my hand, but there you go. It transforms any eyeshadow you have on to purple. It's really nice. It's actually really easy to apply. So it is. So I lost 1 gram on this, so I'm pretty happy about that, because that, like 1 gram for a pigment I feel is good. I didn't wear it every single day because I didn't want to be purple every day, you know, but there we are on that. I'm so sorry guys, I don't feel like I'm doing pretty well, but you can't have an excellent update every update. I think progress is progress. I feel like I've used up all of my stuff and I'm starting on full things now. So for a product I'd recommend to anyone, I chose the NYX Nude Beige Pencil. Look at him, a little guy now. He's itty bitty. And that's what the full size looks like, which is not even in the camera. Let me turn it this way. That's what a full size, hang on, let me take this off for you to see. No. So that's what a full size looks like. Like I did really well on this. They're the exact same pencil, so I don't mind using it up. I really like this. So of course I said I'd recommend it to anyone. But this is $4.50 or $4.49 or something. And the L'Oreal pencil that I've been complaining about was 1 cent cheaper than this. So I would of course go for this one, and this one's cruelty free, so obviously I'm going to aim to go for this one. My last product was the category of a product you're afraid to pan, and I feel like everything I've just mentioned right now is a product I'm afraid to pan. What was I thinking? Why for a short-term project would you pick all hideously long ones? Like, who? I don't know. But anyway, I chose the Maybelline, maybe it's Maybelline, Master Strobing Liquid in the shade Light Iridescent, right? This thing, I didn't realize this. It's 25 mils or 0.68 fluid ounces. Sorry, there's someone outside. I feel like that always happens. That's 5 mils off a foundation. And we all know how long a foundation takes to use, okay? So I've been using, I have nowhere left to swatch. It smells horrible, right? But that's fine because it's not overpowering enough that you'd actually know. You'd have to actually go about smelling it. So here it is here, look at that. So I hate liquid highlighters because I just can't get it to work. So I've been putting this on underneath my foundation to make my face glowy. It's fantastic for that. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I also mixed it in with my primer another day to see like, would there be a difference? I didn't really see too much of a difference. Or sorry, yes, mix it with my primer and mix it with my foundation and then separately underneath my foundation. And to be honest, it's all a much of a muchness, it appears. But it makes your face look so nice. And I am normally really oily and it was still dewy in a nice way. So that's all 6 of my products, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know the last round, Rebecca or else it was Alexy announced at this point that they were going to open this project up for another round. So I can't wait to watch them. I hope to God we're doing this again because I really love this project. Oh my God, it's so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed and I can't wait to watch the rest of your guys' video. See ya.